Konnichiwa, welcome to MrsLinsKitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken teriyaki onigirazu. You may have heard of onigiri, which is a Japanese hand-molded rice bowl that shapes like a triangle. Onigirazu, however, is not hand-molded and it has a shape of rectangle. It is like a Japanese-style rice sandwich or burrito with fillings such as chicken teriyaki or salmon teriyaki. Today I'm going to show you the chicken teriyaki version, so let's get started now. Here is the ingredients overview. I prefer chicken teriyaki with grilled pineapple and lettuce, but you can use other types of vegetables that you like. I won't show you how I make teriyaki sauce in this video, so please watch my previous video to learn how to make homemade teriyaki sauce. For my rice, I use a combination of white rice, brown rice, and quinoa. Cook the rice according to the instruction on the package and let it cool down to lukewarm before you wrap the onigirazu. Separate lettuce leaves, rinse, and let dry. Let's prepare the ingredients. To prepare the pineapple, first remove the leafy crown and cut a thin slice at the base. Next, slice the skin from top to bottom. Remove any remaining brown eyes. Cut the pineapple in half lengthwise, then cut into thick wedges. Cut each wedge of pineapple into thin slices and remove the tough core. Lastly, cut each slice in half, about 2 by 1.5 inches. If you find cutting a fresh pineapple tedious, you can also use canned pineapple. It will taste just as good. For the chicken breast, slice against the grain. You want each piece of chicken to be about 1/3 inch thick and about 3.5 by 3.5 inches in shape or as close as possible. Next, transfer the chicken to a clean container and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. Marinate the chicken for at least 1 hour. The chicken will taste even better if you marinate it overnight. After an hour, fry the chicken with some oil in a frying pan. Fry both sides until the chicken becomes golden brown. You want to make sure chicken is completely cooked, so remember to poke around to make sure the chicken is cooked thoroughly. Next, hand fry the pineapple slices until they caramelize on both sides. Let both the chicken and pineapple cool off so you can easily wrap the onigirazu. Let's start assembling the chicken teriyaki onigirazu. Lay a piece of saran wrap on a flat surface. First, place a piece of nori sheet with the rough side facing up for wrapping all the ingredients. Next, scoop about half cup of rice onto the nori sheet. Try to form a square with your rice at a 45-degree angle in the middle of the nori sheet. The square should be around 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. Place 2 to 3 pieces of lettuce on top of the rice. Then place 2 pieces of grilled pineapple. Add 2 to 3 pieces of chicken on the top. Drizzle with some teriyaki sauce. Finish all with a layer of half cup of rice. To wrap the onigirazu, using both hands, start folding all the corners of the nori sheet towards the center. Fold gently but tightly. When all 4 corners are folded in, the onigirazu will have a square shape with a height no taller than 1.5 inches. Mark which way you will cut in half with a thin piece of vegetables. You can use a small piece of lettuce, but I used a slice of carrot instead. Let the onigirazu sit for about 10 seconds and then cut in half following your mark. with the knife before cutting will prevent the rice from sticking to the knife, so you can have a nice and clean cut of your onigirazu. Now your chicken teriyaki onigirazu is ready. Enjoy! Chicken teriyaki onigirazu is a great option for school lunch or picnic, or you can bring it to work. If you or someone that you know has gluten allergy, this is a great option as well. Just remember to use the gluten-free soy sauce. If you don't like my combination of white rice, brown rice, and quinoa in this recipe, you can simply just use whatever combination you like or use white rice. I hope you like this videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you next time.